Sure, but if you hadn't done such a good job distracting Sensei, then I wouldn't have been able to steal the test questions so easily.
They're testing our skills as ninja and collecting intel. But it is a drag. Yeah, basically he said that it was part of the test to steal the questions from the teacher's lounge, right?
But now I'm starting to get nervous about it.
I wonder what the practical exam will be like exactly.
Boruto got a perfect score, huh?
Coordinated light formation. I guess I'm not gonna be able to use it during a real battle then.
Denki! Why you?
Sorry!
First, all of you tie your white bandanas around your foreheads.
By the way, this target that we're all wearing is just like your bandanas.
Listen, these bandanas and targets are only gonna get in the way. I say that what we should do is just fight like normal people.
Call me Lord Sixth when we're with the others.
Sure. Lord Sixth is gonna be the proctor?
You've gotta be kidding.
Oh, so you came to confirm how strong I am.
I just know this is gonna turn out to be a drag.
Just calm down, you guys.
That's the whole reason why I became the proctor for this test. Because we can't allow troublemakers to become shinobi. Not. Let's see. If you can take this bell away from me, you'll pass. How's that sound?
This sounds like a lot of fun. It'll give us the perfect chance to show you just what we're made of.
This one bell.
Hold on a second.
Well, you can always quit if you don't like it. Although that would be an automatic fail.
The reason is, because in an actual battle, there's no way to predict just what you're going to come up against. The three of us will be acting as Lord Sixth's bodyguards.
And we don't plan on making it easy for you.
Are you sure about what you just said?
Of course, absolutely. Good grief. Like father, like son.
We don't pal around, I mean, come on! You're not getting away!
Enko, they're getting ahead of us. Aren't we going to go after them? Damn it!
Wait, Doshu! Going after Lord Six blindly will only end badly for whoever tries. Boruto?
Relax, guys. It's just an exam. If things don't work out now...
Even Shikadai's not here.
You planted a GPS on Lord Sixth?
That's why we really don't have a choice but to do whatever it takes to make this work. My mom and dad are totally gonna nag me if I don't make it as a ninja. It's a bug!
Guess they got us. This is bad.
Huh?
Yes, you are right. I am pretty sure I have seen that giant tree before.
And you're only reminding us of that because your objective is to separate all of us, isn't that right?
Unko Sensei's doing battle over there. Early bird gets the worm, right? Yep, that's right.
Huh? Did all of you really believe that you'd be able to get past the three of us so easily? It's Sensei right now, got it?
Hey, wait, Boruto! Where do you think you're going?
Like I'm gonna wait.
That kid, he really does know all the tricks of the trade.
If going that way was the correct thing to do, then you wouldn't have allowed Boruto to pass by you so easily.
So what exactly is your plan to find Lord Sixth, Boruto?
I'm gonna search from the top of the highest tree.
To pass, you'll have to take me down first. And the reason is because...
Lightning style, snake lightning.
Hey!
Shino Sensei.
Shadow clone, huh? Really?
Special Junin are good.
Mud wall!
You know, I have to admit it, you kids are pretty tough.
Interested in exams like this.
That might have been true.
Thanks to Boruto, I see some things differently. At the very least, I've got... It seems that I'm going to need to become a bit more serious right now.
Summoning! Thanks.
Lightning style! With you having the Sharingan and Nue too.
Shadow Clone Jutsu!
Okay.
You use substitution to switch with my clone?
You and your father really are so similar. I'm surprised.
Sure, you may say that, but I know that you still have some insects that you haven't even used yet. The reason is because Lord Sixth is not as lenient as I am.
You still aren't suited to become a ninja.
What?
I say that.
Let's go! Yeah! Boruto! Scream! The bell's mine! Not this again.
So you hid the real you underground and lured me out with clones. And that's the reason why this is going to be the end of the line. Whether it's for money, for praise, or for the sake of your parents, that doesn't matter. I'm talking about having resolve. Can you take down those same friends in order to become a ninja? You call that resolve? Then what about right now, when you still haven't figured it out? A ninja is born. Resolve comes from motivation, and you do have the talent. But that just isn't enough.
You're... What?
Seems there are a few among you who at least have some resolve. There's no way that I can acknowledge a group like that as ninja. Because once you go on a real mission, you can't even begin to imagine it. And there's no need for any of you to return to the academy either. They got me.
I don't detect the sensei nearby.
I guess we got away for now. So, is this what they mean by the severity of being a ninja?
I thought we could all become ninja together. And then I could figure out what I wanted to do afterward. Old man Kakashi said our class was horrible.
Damn it!
Stop, Evil Bays!
What the hell are you talking about, Boruto? You're saying that we're weak because of you? Quit looking down on us and sulking. It's 'cause of you I got this far. Am I right?
If it weren't for you, I probably wouldn't even be here.
That's why I want to repay you and all the others who helped me. With my life and with my power.
You're the heart of this class, Boruto. And that's the truth, even though I kinda hate to admit it.
Mitsuki, you okay?
I think that I'll manage. I did this because I wanted to. It was my choice. So what if I got hurt? I don't really care either way.
Mitsuki. Nai, I'm gonna become a ninja so that we can all stay together. I don't understand why there would be a 24-hour time limit. I mean, as long as we still have our bandanas.
And even though we were injured, they didn't come after us anymore.
Yeah, I'm positive that we're all okay.
How do you know?
This is typical. You can't focus on the question. The answer's in how you solve the problem. This is for all of our sakes. The early bird gets the worm.
You think Boruto and the others will find us?
Well, we are making it really easy for them to figure it out.
Here.
New way. All right, Metal, let's do this. Ninja art.
You guys are pretty fast. Well, well. And just what are you doing sneaking around here?
Wasabi! Oh, I was so scared.
A ceiling jutsu.
You know, Big Brother Konohamaru?
But my target, just how did it...
Leave it to the Sharingan and to the craftiness you inherited from Lord Seventh.
Hey!
Sorry to keep you waiting, old man Kakashi.
That's all. You guys are still completely hopeless. As it stands, you're not compensating for the differences in your individual strengths. You're still scattered.
Do it now!
Huh? A ceiling barrier.
Come on, hurry up! Get the bell!
Maybe I overdid it a little.
Yeah, same here.
I'm in too.
That's right!
No,
I'm definitely in this time,
yeah, for sure.
even though it is a drag.
That's it. It's over.
Huh?
Hey, what's with all the looks?
We didn't actually get the bell.
Oh, this thing? There are many rules and laws out there in the real world. But if you don't value and stand by your comrades, you did a really good job with that ceiling jutsu. And I was just so impressed that I didn't want to stop you.
And to overcome them, you must never let your bond with your comrades waver. Of course, you guys. I guess I should have realized. Anyway, release!
So, what do you think? You really got carried away fighting against students like that.